I have with me Shriti Daksh. She is one of the top performing cadets from this first batch, to have graduated from NDA here in Pune. Shriti, first of all, I don't want to get into the male-female part. The fact that you've graduated today, how does it feel?
It feels overwhelming. It feels amazing. It was a roller coaster of emotions. We were emotional, at the same time we were very proud of ourselves, and we had to make the female fraternity of the country. We just strived hard. We just broken paths here and there. Proud.
There has been, NDA gave a clarification right in the beginning that they're trying to make this entire course extremely gender neutral, as unbiased as they can. I know, of course, that you've graduated today. How was this journey for you? How do you think, how true were they to their words that they said in the beginning?
I would say that the thing gender agnostic, that was 100% taken care of. From the starting itself, we were integrated in a very gradual manner, but we've been trained in each and every aspect, be it physicals, be it academics, be it each and every aspect. We were with our course mates shoulder to shoulder.
I see there's a lot of relief and a lot of emotions, and it probably overpowers the sense of achievement. So do you think it's more of you being emotional at this moment only because it's such a historic moment? Or the fact that it's a big achievement in your personal life, does that also count equally?
Sir, I think both of them counts equally. But above all, I feel the journey we have been together with the officers, with my course mates, the journey we have been together, that is what makes it different. Achievements are, yes, it is a big achievement, but the thing is, when I look up to them, these officers, these course mates of mine have been someone who have always seen every day, like since morning till evening, we look each other's face, and then they become so normal that they have always been there.
Ishita, a lot of people would be looking at you right now, a lot of women, young women, who probably need role models at this point of time, considering the kind of situation which is existing not just in the country but across the world. To them, for you, if you're asked to encourage them to enter such a field which is so erratic, not just for women but for people in general, do you find that a tough task? How would you appeal them to join in such kind of NDA courses in larger numbers in the future?
I feel one thing which is required is Josh. Like you just have to have the Josh and guts to go ahead. Just think big and just go after it. Like, it's tough, yes. I'll not say that it is easy or it was a piece of cake. It was tough. Every day is tough. Every day you question yourself why you're here, but then you have greater reasons to be there.
I've got the Singh family here, and they all look very happy, very relieved, very emotional. Their daughter has created history, something that will probably take a bit of time to sink in. I'll come to you, but first, Srishti, I've been talking to a lot of girls here. I see a lot of happiness in your face, but again, I see a lot of emotions as well. How would you describe this day?
It is a mix of everything, I must say. Like for 3 years we were training here, and we have been through a good amount of ragda. So we wanted to leave this place also. But today when I am passing out, I'm feeling like I should stay here a bit more. But then also we are passing out together, 17 of us. We have been like the best of friends in the worst of times. So it is a mix.
Mr. and Mrs. Singh, kudos to you as well, right? What she's done is completely on the basis of her talent and her skill, but you've definitely pushed her, considering that there was no precedent earlier, right? She was the first woman, in the first batch of the cadets. How was it to push her to do this, or did it not require any pushing, considering that I heard that the family has already got some military background?
It was all her caliber, I should say, and her dedication, which made her come to NDA.
Okay.
At present, I'm getting very emotional.
I understand.
So,
Yes.
and she deserves this. She has worked really hard for this. She got injuries like they all get, but yet I must say she's the test case. They all are the test case.
Injuries during the course?
They do get, even the male cadets get, na?
But how did you react to it? To these injuries and all? I mean, I'm sure it would have given you some...
I was a bit like...
सब कवर कर दिया जो था ना सब कवर कर दिया जितनी इंजरी आई थी और इसने कोई वो नहीं किया सब अपने आप ठीक होता चला गया
वो मेंटली स्ट्रांग है तो वो कर गई चीजें
Tears, emotions and relief was everywhere to be seen as the first women batch of 17 women cadets walked out after graduating here from NDA Khadakwasla station or centre here in Pune. A journey which started back in the year 1992 has come closest in accommodating women in combat forces as far as the Indian Army is concerned. Now they'll be choosing specialized courses hereafter after having completed the tri-services successfully. With camera person Praveen Ji Rohit, this is Anuj Rai reporting for NDTV from Pune.